This is Chris Kill with your Model Fit Workout B circuit training. So for our first circuit training exercise, we're actually going to start with 3 exercises for our complex to work the front of our legs. We're going to start out with a prisoner squat. All right, for the prisoner squat, I'm going to spread my feet a little wider, shoulder width apart, standing over a box here to drop down to like a target. Put my hands on my head, and I want to think about sticking my butt out and coming down, tapping the box, not sitting down, looking for 10 reps here. All right, from here, I'm going to go into reverse lunges. All right, so I'm looking for 10 reverse lunges on one leg, followed by 10 on the other leg, and I'm going to finish up with jump squats. All right, so I'm just coming down, up and down, 10 times. All right, once I get done here, I'm going to come onto my back, put the mini band around my foot here. I'm going to move into what is called our pulling complex for the back of our legs. So I'm going to raise one foot up into the air, push my butt up into the air. I'm pushing through the outside of my heel and the outside of my foot, pausing at the top for 1 or 2 seconds and coming back down. All right, I'm looking for 10 reps on each side. All right, then I'm going to spread my legs wide. I'm going to point my feet out a little bit, and I'm looking for just 10 bridges on both legs. All right, I want you to set a clock for 8 minutes. We're going to perform 10 reps for each exercise. Repeat the squat complex, followed by the bridging complex on the floor, back to back for as many rounds as possible in 8 minutes. All right, now for our sculpting circuit, we're going to start out by putting the mini band around the feet here. All right, what I'm going to do, let me check to make sure what I'm doing here. Actually, okay, let's see. All right, I'm looking for 12 mini band walks down, keeping my feet spread apart. 12 mini band walks back, followed by mini band side kicks to the right, mini band side kicks to the left. For those that don't have a mini band, this can also be done with an X band or with a stretch band by simply standing on the band, crossing the bands like so, and walking in the same fashion. But I would highly recommend you get this. We recommend this in our equipment package. That's definitely the way to go. Now, for our next series of exercises here, we have calf jumps followed by single leg calf raises. All right, and these can either be performed with or without weight, but I'd recommend maybe holding 10 to 15 pounds. What we're going to do: calf jumps, jumping as high as I can, landing on my calves, followed by single leg calf raise. For the single leg calf raise, I'm just going to hold on here, raise up, pause, and come back down. And again for this, 12 reps for each position. We want to repeat these 2 things back to back, set a clock for 6 minutes, 12 reps for each exercise, and move on to your conditioning circuit once this is done.